How's that for some ASMR?
I don't think blowing into a bottle is ASMR.
It might be for some people. It's whatever makes you tingle, baby.
You know what makes me tingle?
This thing's like 1.5 liters, and it's in a big, heavy glass container, so I'm like holding it up to my mouth with both hands. Do you like the sound of me slurping to try to get air? Oof. I think I can feel one in there, and I'm trying to get it out, because I think if I get it out, maybe it'll be easier to do another one that's big. Like bouncing around a little, and my titties bounce around when I do that. Okay, I feel it. Honestly, my tummy's really full. I just tried to swallow some, and it's like a little hard. Let me try again. Oh, it just feels stuck. Oh no. I'm trying to get this out. I can feel it. Oh God. Oh Lord. I just almost died.
No, you didn't.
Good people of the burp forum. I almost died.
Did not.
I was gonna choke to death on the kombucha. Look at what I sacrificed for my art and your orgasm.